Welcome back to the Anoraker channel. Today we have something really different. See, normally we do tech reviews and news and DIY repairs and such here. But today, YouTube sent me something. And it's a gift. But I think honestly, it's a gift for you because the only reason YouTube would even care to send me anything at all is if the channel is growing well enough for them to have noticed me. And that's because you've been following and you've been subscribing and you've been helping me out. So thank you very much. We're going to open it up and see what's in this box. I have a preview of it already, and I honestly can't wait to see it. Right inside the box, we've got a little have fun little thing. We're going to toss that off to the side. They also sent me a high five, and we're going to social network that out, of course. And we've got styrofoam. And there's the early preview right there. This is some kind of LED neon sign that's going to look like a play button. We'll get it turned on and set up today, and I think it's going to take the place of my classically trained NES sign before this is done. I love that sign, but I think this would be fun to have in the background. What do you think? What do you think of my background, by the way? Should I change things up a little bit? Let me know in the comments below. More styrofoam, and we've got some nice more signage stuff as well. There's always so much paper and all this stuff. I think they could have skipped. And here's our base. There's not a whole lot in this, which is good because we can get straight to the good stuff. We're just gonna slide that off like that. Let's get this set up and plugged in. What do you think? What have you liked about the Anoraker channel? Have you come before, or is this your first time watching? If this is your first time watching, let me know in the comments below. If you're a returning viewer, thank you very much. Let me know what it is that makes you keep coming back. And can a single guy, oh, if I put it on the right way, it might help. Can a single guy put together a lamp? We're gonna get this plugged in and see what it looks like. I'm really actually excited for this. It's got that neon look to it, but it's LED, so it shouldn't be too hot and shouldn't burn up anything. Will it reach? We're gonna hold it in place. Uh-oh. Did they send me a broken one? I can see inside. They sent me a broken one. So we're going to do something different. We're going to have to try and take this apart and try and fix it. This is even better. Okay. We got some screws up top. Give me 1 second. I bet that transition worked perfectly because we're professionals around here. I got my handy dandy iFixit kit. iFixit doesn't sponsor this channel, but I am friends with them. And I just really like what they do. We're going to try and take this apart. I see 4 Phillips screwdrivers right there. Where's my Phillips screw bit? Here you are. What I like about the iFixit kits is that you have just about every bit size you can imagine. And it is a handy place to hold the screws as well. So it looked to me like this connection point in here inside the base itself isn't sitting flat anymore. So it's not making a proper contact to send power to it. So we're just going to take it apart and try and straighten it, see what happens. And here I said, we're not going to do our usual kind of DIY repair stuff today, and yet life has found a way. Life will find a way. Oh man, I hope it'll get attacked by a dinosaur right now. Okay, 4 screws are out. Okay, word of honesty there. I needed a second set of hands to get that off, and oh no. Yeah, this is so it's glued into place and the glue has come loose. So I think looking at this, it's come loose, and that's why it's not making good contact. I think what I need is more glue. I've got what looks like a hot glue gun, but it's actually cold glue. We're gonna give that a shot so we don't fry the wiring in the process. All right, cold glue gun. So I think all we need to do is get this piece back into here and glue it in place. It even basically attaches magnetically, so it should be an easy fix. It's just didn't have enough glue to actually hold it properly in place. So we're gonna set that down real good, and I might even pull what glue I have on here off. Yeah. My camera help is looking at me and rolling their eyes right now. Okay, so this works just like hot glue, but it's cold, or colder. It's basically dry immediately, or cold to the touch immediately. I'm gonna give it plenty because I just don't want to mess with it again. That's probably too much, but you know what? Better than not enough. Yeah, there we go. Now we'll just need to give this a few minutes to dry, and we'll put it back together. See you in a second. That's how that works, right? The only downside to cold glue guns is you get all the stringies. Hot glue guns too, for that matter. But I'm not messing with anything more than that. That's all it should really take. I think that's probably good enough. Let's put it back together. Well, getting it back on is much easier. 4 screws. You know, here's a good question. Why didn't I use this? That would have made that a whole lot easier. I'm betting a few of you were commenting, right, and thinking, why weren't you using that dumb suction cup you had right there? That's what it's for. I'm not calling myself a professional repairman because I'm not, but you know, I play one on television sometimes. If you're on your smart TV. Almost there. Thanks for sticking around this long. Thought this was going to be a nice, quick, short thing. All right, now this is more of a capacitive power button, so I should just be able to tap it and have it go. Ta-da! Well, that's pretty good looking, actually. I like it. Thanks, YouTube. This is going to go right up here. If you haven't already, please subscribe. We've got a lot of great reviews coming, more teardowns like this. In fact, this phone right here is one of my next reviews, and we're going to tear it down right in the middle of the review. I'm not even going to consult any guides or anything, just going to figure it out as I go. Please subscribe. Thank you for all who keep coming and watching. This is why YouTube sent this to me, because of you. Until next time, bye!